Today's fast-evolving technology enables speedier change and advancement, accelerating transformation.
COVID-19 has changed a lot more than technology trends and upcoming technologies, making IT professionals recognize their job will change in the contactless world of tomorrow. A 2022 to 2023 IT pro will constantly learn, unlearn, and relearn.
What does this mean?
It entails following new technologies and trends.
It involves looking forward to determining which talents you'll need to find a job tomorrow and how to get there.
All bow to the global pandemic, most IT workers stay home. Here are the top 10 rising tech trends you should monitor to maximize your time at home.
Number 10. Datafication.
Datafication means that everything in our lives is being turned into devices or software that run on data.
So, in short, datafication is the process of turning human chores and tasks into data-driven technology.
From our phones and industrial machines to our office software and AI-powered appliances, data is here to stay for as long as we can remember. So, it has become a sought-after skill in our economy to know how to store our data in a way that is safe and secure. Because of it, there are more jobs for IT experts, data scientists, engineers, technicians, managers, and a lot of other jobs. Even better, anyone with a good understanding of technology can get a certification in a data-related specialization to get a job in this field. Skills are more important than big-name degrees for data jobs, and many of our most successful leaders come from smaller cities and developing countries like India.
Number 9. AI and machine learning.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, has gotten a lot of attention in the past 10 years, but it is still one of the hottest new technologies because its effects on how we live, work, and play are just starting to become clear. AI is already known for being better than other things like speech and image recognition, navigation apps, personal assistants on smartphones, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. Aside from that, it will be used to analyze interactions to find hidden connections and insights, to predict demand for services like hospitals so that authorities can make better decisions about how to use their resources, and to find changing patterns of customer behavior by analyzing data in near real time, which will increase sales and make experiences more personalized. By 2025, the AI market will be worth $190 billion, and in 2022, the world spent more than $57 billion on cognitive and AI systems.
Number 8. Extended reality.
Extended reality is all the technologies that simulate reality, like virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and everything else in between.
It's a big tech trend right now because we all want to get away from what we think are the real limits of the world.
This technology is very popular among gamers, medical professionals, people who work in retail and modeling, and people who want to create a reality without any physical presence. In terms of extended reality, gaming is a key area for popular jobs that don't require a lot of schooling but rather a love of online games. For a successful career in this field, you can learn how to make games, make animations, or even edit programs.
Number 7. Digital trust.
People's comfort and familiarity with devices and technologies have given them more confidence and trust in digital technologies. This well-known trust in digital technology is another important trend that will lead to more innovations. With digital conviction, people believe that technology can make the digital world safe, secure, and reliable and help companies come up with new ideas without having to worry about losing the public's trust. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking are the two main specialties you can look into if you want to make the digital world a safer place for people to use. In these two, you can find a wide range of jobs, from entry-level to high-level. For ethical hacking, you might need to get professional certifications, but a diploma or even a master's degree is enough to get a high-paying job in cybersecurity.
Number 6. 3D printing.
3D printing, which is used to make prototypes, is one of the most important trends in innovation and technology. The biomedical and industrial fields have both benefited from this technology. We never thought that a printer would be able to make a real thing, but now it can. So, it is another new idea that will stick around. For companies in the data and healthcare industries that use 3D printing a lot to make their products, there are a number of jobs that pay well and are available all over the world. You just need to know a lot about AI, machine learning, modeling, and 3D printing.
Number 5. Edge computing.
Cloud computing used to be a new technology trend to watch, but now big players like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform have taken over the market. As more and more businesses move to cloud solutions, the number of people who use cloud computing keeps going up.
But it's no longer a new way to use technology.
This is. As the amount of data that companies have to deal with keeps growing, they are realizing that cloud computing doesn't always work. Edge computing is meant to help solve some of these problems by getting around the delay caused by cloud computing and sending data to a data center for processing. It can be closer to where computing needs to happen, or on the edge, if you will. Because of this, edge computing can be used to process data that needs to be done quickly in remote places that don't have good or any connections to a central location. Edge computing can work like mini data centers in these situations.
Number 4. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is the next big thing in technology.
It is a type of computing that uses quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. Because it's easy to query, monitor, analyze, and act on data from any source, this amazing technology trend is also being used to stop the spread of the coronavirus and develop possible vaccines. Quantum computing is also being used in the banking and finance industry to manage credit risk, help with high-frequency trading, and find fraud. Quantum computers are now many times faster than regular computers, and big companies like Splunk, Honeywell, Microsoft, AWS, Google, and many others are working on new things in the field of quantum computing. By 2029, the global market for quantum computing is expected to bring in more than $2.5 billion. And if you want to make a name for yourself in this new field, you need to know about quantum mechanics, linear algebra, probability, information theory, and machine learning.
Number 3. Augmented reality and virtual reality.
Virtual reality, augmented reality, and extended reality are the next big things in technology.
AR adds to the user's environment, while VR brings them into it.
So far, this trend in technology has mostly been used for games, but it has also been used for training. For example, US Navy, Army, and Coast Guard ship captains use Virtual Ship, a simulation program, to learn how to run their ships. AR and VR have a lot of potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even healing after an injury. They usually work together with some of the other new technologies on this list. Either one could be used to teach doctors how to do surgery, to give museum visitors a more in-depth experience, to improve theme parks, or even to improve marketing.
Number 2. Blockchain.
Most people think of blockchain technology in terms of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it can be used for security in many other ways as well. In the simplest terms, a blockchain is a list of data that can only be added to, not changed or taken away from. So, the word chain comes from the fact that you are making a chain of data. The fact that you can't change the blocks that came before is what makes it so safe. Also, blockchains are based on consensus, so no one person or group can control the data. With blockchain, you don't need a third party you can trust to keep an eye on or verify transactions. Blockchain is being used in and by many different industries, and as the number of industries that use it grows, so does the need for skilled workers. From a bird's eye view, a blockchain developer is a person who uses blockchain technology to build and implement architecture and solutions.
Number 1. Internet of Things.
It is another exciting new technology trend. Many things are now made with Wi-Fi connectivity, which means they can connect to the internet and to each other.
It is the way to future.
It has already made it possible for devices, home appliances, cars, and a lot of other things to connect to the internet and share data over it. We already use and benefit from this as consumers. If we forget to lock our doors when we leave for work, we can do it from afar. We can also preheat our ovens on the way home from work while keeping track of our fitness on our Fitbits. But businesses have a lot to gain right now and in the near future as well. As data is collected and analyzed, it can help businesses improve their safety, efficiency, and the way they make decisions. It can help with maintenance that can be planned ahead of time, speed up medical care, improve customer service, and give us benefits we haven't even thought of yet. And this new trend in technology is just getting started. Forecasts say that by 2030, around 50 billion of these Internet of Things devices will be in use around the world, making a huge web of connected devices that includes everything from smartphones to kitchen appliances.
What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.